Might as well get the change. Hey, Hopper, go get the toothbrush. Look at him. How silly that is. And Hopper's got a toothbrush with like a cucumber. Hop hop. Hopper's strong, you know. Yeah. Oh! Yes. And look at Hopper now. He's about to scale like a cucumber snake. And so, we actually know about it now. Holy supercharge. What are you doing? Why are you not getting the toothbrush? Okay, I'll get the toothbrush for him. And here he is, right there. Right here. There we go. Watch this. He is so funny. So, actually, we know about this theory, don't we? Yeah. Hello, Hopper. My name is a toothbrush. Hopper, you wanna catch it? Here. Hopper is scared of it now. They got the toothbrush. 3, 2, 1. He's scared of it.
Yeah.
He's still laid down.
He's gonna lay down.
Yeah. He did the trust before. Anyway. Hopper, what do you think about the toothbrush, Hopper? Hop hop, it's a baby. Smack. I would just play with Hopper, so we actually know. So. I could put this on the coffee table. And now Hopper's gonna get it or not. But I don't know, he's scared of the toothbrush. So here we go again. Hopper just too drunk. That's for real.
Standing up on 2 feet.
Hopper, why are you eating?
He was trying to get Blue Shoe out from under the bed.
Hello, Hopper. So, do this one more time. Okay. I think he's had enough.
I do finish.
Or not.
No, I think
Okay, thank you guys for watching, Mr. I know, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like it, put thumbs up, do not put thumbs up. If you don't like it, put thumbs up. See you guys. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Welcome to the video. Goodbye, everyone.